Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write Google Ads headlines that get clicks. Before we jump in, it's important to understand that strong headlines are one of the biggest factors in determining your ad success. They directly impact your click-through rate, quality score, and even how much you pay per click. A well-written headline not only attracts attention, but also communicates value quickly, which is critical in a competitive ad environment. We'll walk through the process step by step, so whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, you're in the right place. First off, navigate to the Google Ads platform by going to the Overview section of your account. This is your home base for managing all your campaigns. Once you're there, click on the Campaigns tab. This area is where you'll create and manage your advertising initiatives, so it's worth getting comfortable with the layout. After selecting Campaigns, click on Ads. This section is dedicated to managing existing ads and creating new ones. It's where your strategy and creativity come together, so understanding how it works is essential. Next, add a new ad by clicking the plus icon. This will allow you to start creating a brand new ad and choose from different formats. From here, select Responsive Search Ad. This type of ad is powerful because it allows you to enter multiple headlines and descriptions. Google then tests different combinations to find what performs best, helping improve results automatically over time. Now, choose the campaign you want to attach your ad to. This ensures your messaging stays aligned with your overall goal. Then select the appropriate ad group, which helps organize your ads based on themes, products, or services. Once you've done that, you'll reach the section where you can add your headlines. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating Google Ads headlines that not only attract attention, but also drive meaningful results. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more digital marketing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.